Hello. Okay, so for this video I'm doing like a tutorial with a voiceover, and for this tutorial, this is specifically for one person, but you know, anyone can watch it in case you were wondering how to do this. But this is a video about the sort of TV effect thing that I did for um the first episode of Broken. I know that other people that make videos have done this before, and I don't know if they've made tutorials or whatever, or if they've told you guys how to do it already, and if I'm just making this video for no reason. Well, I know I'm not, because somebody asked me how to do it. So anyway, that's what this whole video is, and alright, let's get started. So first you see that in Camtasia you have this thing, the timeline, where you take media or like recordings and stuff, and you take it from here and you drag it down here onto a track. And I use track 1 for videos and and just little like recordings, and then I insert track 2, and then I use track 2 for call outs and stuff and transitions and everything. So that's what I use track 2 for. But in this tutorial we're going to be using track 1 and track 2, both for recordings, and it's gonna make the whole TV thing. Okay, so I pre-recorded, let's do import media to get your recordings into Camtasia Studio. And I pre-recorded, ooh, my screen's all messed up, but I pre-recorded two recordings to use here, and this one you just take it from this clip bin and you drag it down to a track and pick dimensions and then move it over here. Okay, so I don't know why this bar down here won't go down, because it's just not going down. I don't know why, but okay, so I don't know why it won't go down. It usually just goes down by itself. But okay, so this is just a clip of me sitting here, and then, or you know, of my fairy sitting, and then I'll just delete the rest of that, and then I'll import another recording of the Google web page. And what I'm going to do with the Google web page is that I'm going to make the Google web page appear on this little screen here. So here's how you do it. Okay, so first you have the recording of you of your fairy just sitting there near the TV, and you have that on track 1, and you have whatever you want to appear on the TV on track 2, and you have to have it right above track 1. So what I did was I took this, and I took the recording on track 2. You have to click on it and make sure that it highlights blue like this, and then go over here and split it in half. And when you split it in half, you go up here and then you minimize it. You can see that the videos that these recordings were overlapping each other because I put it on both tracks right underneath or below each other, or like right on each other. So these videos are overlapping. And then, so you make this, make this like that, and then, and then you just take this, make that a little bit shorter. Then you have to make this on track 1 a little bit shorter than both recordings on track 2. And then so you have it split so that this half of the recording is large like this, and then the other half is in the TV like this. And what you do is you take this, you click right in between these two videos, and then you right click and go all the way up here and select Stitch Media. And it'll show, and it'll stitch together, and it'll show this little animation thing here. And it'll show, and so it'll just like take the Google web page and it'll morph it into the TV. So take a look at this. Watch over here. So it shrinks like that. And just to make sure that this doesn't happen, that both videos are like the same length, you just go over here, split, and just delete this extra recording. And then so now we have the Google web page, and then we have my fairy watching the Google web page on TV. So that's how you do it. And I don't know if I explained this really well, I don't know, but I tried my best, and just let me know what you think, and if this helped, especially the specific person who asked me how this was done. The username Destiny Gonzalez, she asked me how this was done, and so there you go, that's how it's done. And let's watch just like an instant replay on widescreen. It'll run much more smoothly, like when you save it to video, it'll run much more smoothly, because I noticed that here it looks a bit choppy, but right now my computer is like kind of slow right now because it's not used to having me recording the Camtasia Studio, and it's kind of like freaking out my computer, I don't know, but so it's just not used to that, and so that's why it's like that. And so yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.